Okay, just walking through the forest here on a beautiful sunny day, and it's coming towards, look, it's coming towards the end of the year. So getting out here, so you're going to get a few shots with my drone, walking down towards the sea, and I see can I send it out, as long as it's not too windy, and maybe see can we get the last of the summer sun and beginning of the winter coming in. But sure, that's the way it's going, that's the way it is. And when, oh yeah, the clock went back last night. That's going to be a mental thing now for me. Winter, that's what that is. Even so, the 21st of December is the shortest day of the year. So it's a little bit of a cod in a way, because we're already got into darker, shorter days, you know. Okay, it's beginning to open up here, get down towards the beach. Right, don't forget to subscribe, press the bell icon, and don't forget to press the old thumbs up. It does help, you know, need a bit of help for all the effort I put into these videos. Now I'm just coming down here, we're coming over the little bridge, just coming down here and coming over the little bridge, and then we're at the beach. So that's a half an hour's good hard walk, and the dog knows where it is, so he's already gone ahead. Here we go, little wooden bridge. And there now, the camera get time to focus within the light. This is only a phone I'm using, so they wouldn't be quite as good as a DSLR camera, but nevertheless, what do you want for a camera in your pocket? Right. Oh God, there's heat in that sun. Where did that come from? Really is heat in that sun. I'm going to jump down here. Okay. Bear. Alright, you can see. Relax, will you? Got rid of him. Now you can see there, right? There's a bank going there. See the bank going along there? Now that wasn't here 10 days ago. That shows you how the winter has come in now. This is usually just flat, just water. Like the river just goes over the top of the beach and down to the water, and that's how it's been heavy enough to dig a hole that deep, and it hasn't been like that now. I haven't seen that for a couple of years. It just means it's got a really lot of water coming down there, and in the middle of the summer now that just stops right there and just flows backwards, because this is actually a river back into Courtown harbour, so it doesn't really need to come down here. But at the moment it's coming down, and she's going out to sea, and you can actually see the water has a lot of brown in it where the river goes into it, carrying the mud down. Now go down here, see we get an old drone shot. Right. Now we'll jump down here where that's oh Jesus, I landed my arse there. Not to worry, I landed my arse, bear, not to worry. Alright, so there's the river where it normally doesn't flow. What is picturesque now for? See the glistening of the water. The sun's very low this time of year. And there you can see how big the bank is with the dog behind it. Can't see depth of field in cameras, don't forget. That's only up to your eye. And that's why you see people going up hills and all. It doesn't look like they're going up a hill, but it nearly kills them because it can be quite steep. And there's the shadow. Just shows you. Now it's only 1 o'clock and the shadow's that long. Would you just give me a break? Would you give me a break? Clodagh, will you come back and take your friggin' dog? I'm sick of him. I want a real dog. Now just enjoy this. Listen now, just listen to the sound of this. Just enjoy it. If that's not therapy, nothing is. Oi. What about me therapy, you fool? Jeez, I'm doing me therapy. Now back to a bit of meditation. Ah, not lovely. Okay, that's it from me, that little flight. Hope you enjoyed it. Down on the sunny beach, and probably could be one of the last ones. No, don't be, could be a bit more optimistic now. There could be a bit more videos coming. So I'll say goodbye from me. Don't forget to press the bell icon, thanks very much. And bye from Bear. Bear, say goodbye to camera. Bear, say goodbye to camera. Oi, say goodbye to camera. Come here. That's better. Too busy.